Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Fans and fellow filmmakers of the experimental avant-garde genre, we need to search and discover more and more of the new generation of experimental filmmakers. True, we can find these artists through all the film festivals of this particular genre that we come by each season. However, we need to search more and more and promote them more and more. The reason for this is that the original artists such as Darren, Warhol, and Mikas have passed on a long time ago. We don't need to copy their work, and the newcomers don't need to do that as well. They need to come up with their own material. And many that I'm seeing and the rest of us are seeing are doing just that. And they just stick to avant-garde genre. Make it experimental films, not narratives. No talking, but real 60s and 70s style avant-garde experimental filmmaking. Filmmaking today of this genre, of the avant-garde, is bigger than ever. Bigger than the 60s and bigger than the 70s. So, we need to find these new masters of experimental film. And I know they're right under our noses. Everyone else, fellow filmmakers, we know they're right there as well. So let's find them and promote them. Doesn't make a difference if you're using analog film, cell phones, or digital. Let's promote all these newcomers and welcome them. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy, and sell group, put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page, and join Avant Garde Films Philippines. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.